If you've purchased a Liftmaster or Chamberlain keypad and you need to install it, here's the easiest way how. You'll take a flathead screwdriver and twist until that little door comes loose. We're just gonna pull this battery out like this. And you see it's got a hole down here. Typically you want this on the driver's side of the garage door opening, but some people, depending on the direction that their garage door faces on the street, some people wanna hide it. It all just depends on where you want it to go. That doesn't really matter. It mounts the same way wherever you want it to go. But first we're gonna put a screw in the side of your door opening. So grab yourself a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. I recommend a Phillips head, and I also recommend a drill if you have one. They're much easier than doing it by hand. We're gonna throw one screw in first. And you want it to sit out just a little bit off of the wood because the back of this is going to slide over top of it. Make sure that the sides are level. If this is too loose at the top, you're gonna wanna screw your screw in more. And if you can't get it to slide down, you're gonna wanna pull the screw out just a little bit. But once you get it kind of snug, make sure that you have the same amount of space at the bottom as you do at the top. You're gonna take your second screw, put that down here in the bottom hole. Make that snug. Put your battery back in. Take your cap, slide that back on, and you're all set. It's pretty simple to install these keypads, but if it's something that you don't want to do, or if you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.